Today we'll be making stir-fry veggies with spaghetti. With me, I have all the ingredients I'll be using. Well, minus salt and water. That's it. So we have our spaghetti, capsicum. Over here we have broccoli, cauliflower, snow peas. Snow peas actually look like what do we call them? Peas, but you don't peel it off. But you don't peel and take what's inside. You eat as a whole, as it is. What else? We have a carrot, onion, ginger, garlic, and coriander, or tomatoes, courgette, zucchini. Down over here we have some spinach. I think that's just about it. And our spices, we have paprika, we have turmeric, we have soy sauce. I like using the dark soy sauce, and then we have some oyster sauce. Okay, let's get started. I'll start by boiling my spaghetti. You can choose to break them in half or cook them as whole. Take your cauliflower and broccoli and cut them into bite sizes. Checking in on the spaghetti, and at this point you can add in about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to the water and salt to taste. Take your broccoli and cauliflower and simmer them at low heat and very little water for about 5 minutes or so. After, take them out so they don't continue to cook anymore. On the same pan, cook your snow peas at low heat as well. Checking in on the spaghetti, and they seem cooked. Take your peeled carrots. Same step as the other videos to achieve perfect matchstick size. Keep them aside and make more matchstick size from your capsicum. Set aside. Snow peas are ready as well. Now add in your carrots. If your pan is getting sticky, add water. Cover up and let the carrots cook a little. On to our fresh tomato sauce. Cut tomatoes for easy blending. Slice your piece of ginger and add into the blender. Cut a few pieces of onion and add. Crush your garlic to help in blending. Add half a teaspoon of paprika and blend. this point I had forgotten to add in my courgette. Blend it till you're satisfied with the consistency. Then add in your coriander. You don't want to blend your coriander all the way. Take out your snow peas and carrots. Slice your onion, add to the pan, coat it with a few drops of oil. Then add in your veggies, minus capsicum and spinach. Mix everything up not to get burnt. Take them out, or in a different pan, cook your sauce. You'll want to cook till it reduces in size. Now, add in your soy sauce and oyster sauce too. Once everything is blended, pour your veggies, spinach and capsicum as well. Easy meal, easy recipe. Takes less than 30 minutes. Round 1 was delicious. Or you can decide you just want everything from one pan. Add in your spaghetti and careful while mixing. Less time in the kitchen, satisfying results in the end. Till next time guys.